Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Windows and your Dell display driver so settings behave predictably. Once done, open Settings, go to System, Display, and enable Night Light or Comfort View. This reduces blue light by shifting the color temperature warmer. Make sure to set either a timed schedule, sunset to sunrise, or a manual strength. You do this because lowering blue light reduces eye strain and keeps sleep cycles stable. If your Dell has a built-in Comfort View toggle in Dell Display Manager, enable it there for consistent hardware control. Next, refine brightness, color temperature, and refresh rate to minimize strain. Lower brightness to match your ambient light, usually within a 120 to 300 lux feel, and avoid max brightness in dark rooms. Then set color temperature around 3000 to 4000 Kelvin for evening comfort, and fine-tune with the built-in color calibration tools. Also check refresh rate and enable any flicker-free settings in BIOS or Dell Display Manager, because reducing PWM flicker prevents headaches and visual fatigue during extended. Finally, enable adaptive brightness and auto color adjustments so the system responds to changing light without you thinking about it. If glare remains, apply a matte screen protector or use glasses rated for blue light filtering. These add physical protection. Make sure Dell Display Manager profiles are saved so settings persist after sleep. If something goes wrong, flicker, color shifts, or setting loss, update the BIOS and graphics driver, reboot, and if needed, reset Display Manager. That often clears corrupt profiles and restores proper eye protection behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.